So our sink is backing up, but that's okay because we're going to take care of it with the Drain King. It's like a pressure washer for your drain. So as you can see, drain's pretty backed up. So we're going to pull the stop out and hook this up to the faucet and blast it out in like 3 seconds. Stand by and we'll clear this drain. So we disconnected the rod here, loosen this nut here at the back of the plumbing, took the nut off, take the stopper out. We have this removed, so now the stopper can come out of the sink. Removed. We have this grossness here, and we'll blast it out. Next step, we'll hook up the Drain King. Okay, so we hooked up the Drain King to the faucet. We inserted it down into the drain. But remember, we removed the stopper, so either make sure you have the Drain King down past where the hole is, or stick your finger over it because you don't want water coming out of here, so make sure that is plugged off because you don't want water here. Or just push it down in the pipe past this opening here, and so you don't have to worry about it because it does make a pretty good seal, as you can see here. And a few seconds of it blasting and we'll see what happens. Okay, a few seconds of blasting, and as you can see, the drain is clean. Brand new. And we took the stopper, and as we said last time, I don't know if you remember the shower video, we took the tip and we could pressure wash and clean the inside of the drain. And we did the same for the stopper, so we didn't have to touch any of this nastiness. We just held it up here, we sprayed it off, didn't have to touch it, and it's clean. So we'll reinsert the stopper and put it back into the sink, and let's see if it drains. Alright, let's turn on full blast and see if it drains now. Alright, no water backing up at all. So, one more time, another win for the Drain King. Alright. Use the Drain King for all your plumbing problems. See you guys later. And if you get a stopped up drain, just check out the Drain King. I have a link on the site and a link on the posting if you want to go check it out. See you guys later. This is Chris out here from My Old House Fix.